I have a Hisense smart TV here. This is the Android TV version. I'm just going to show you how to download or add apps. Okay, so it's very simple here. So first thing is just go directly. Make sure you highlight apps right there and click on OK on the remote. And now you just go over here where it says Get More Apps. Go ahead and click on OK. You do have to sign in to your Google Play, or you need to make an account. Okay, so from here you can see all the apps that are available. You can go down with the free movies and TV, all these apps here. You can look through all of these if you wish, but you can also do a search as well to make it easier. If you go all the way up and then move all the way over to the right where you see the magnifying glass, and then click on enter. And then I want to download the YouTube Kids. So you can go ahead and, if you have the Google Assistant set up, you can go ahead and ask for it to search, or if not, just move over to the right and make sure the mouse is blinking in the search bar, and then from here just go ahead and search what you want. So I basically want to download YouTube Kids. Oh, it just popped up right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and move up, up, up. Now I'm going to go right, right, right. Then it's highlighted. Let me click on OK right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and install. Click on OK. Then give this probably like 30 seconds or so. Okay, download it. Now it's installing. Okay, so there we go. So you can open it from here, or just simply just go ahead and press on the home button on your remote. And now, I mean, you probably want it on your favorites right here. So go ahead and move over to the right. Right here, go to the plus sign, click on OK. And I'm just gonna put my YouTube Kids up there with all my other main apps. So I'm gonna go down. Here's YouTube Kids here. Let me go ahead and click on enter. And now it's up here on my favorites, okay? Now, if you want to go ahead and like move this, the YouTube Kids app over more, just make sure it's highlighted, and then press and hold the OK button, and this menu will pop up, and you can go down there. It says move right there, and then you can go ahead and move it. I'll move it next to Netflix, and then there you go. You can see it's there. Pretty simple. Good luck, guys.